In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard feature in Zoom during a meeting. This is an incredibly handy tool for collaboration, brainstorming, or simply conveying information visually to everyone in the meeting. We're going to take you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can start using this feature with confidence and ease. So let's begin by either starting or joining a Zoom meeting as you normally would. This could be a meeting you've scheduled or one you've been invited to join. Once you are in the meeting and ready to share your ideas visually, you'll want to look for the Share Screen button. This is typically located at the bottom of your Zoom window. It's recognizable with a green color featuring an upward-facing arrow. Go ahead and click on that button. Now you'll see a selection of different screens you could share. Among them, there's an option labeled Whiteboard. This option is what we are interested in sharing. It allows you to open up a blank canvas that everyone in the meeting can see. Click on Whiteboard and then press the Share button to make this visible to everyone involved in the meeting. As soon as you click Share, a blank white canvas will open up on your screen. This canvas is now visible to all meeting participants, providing you with a space to draw, write, and showcase your ideas live. It's like having a real-life whiteboard with tools to annotate in various colors and styles, allowing for maximum creativity during your session. One of the great features of Zoom's whiteboard is that it offers multiple tools to enhance your presentation or discussion. You can use different drawing options, text tools, stamps, and even spotlights to emphasize parts of your whiteboard. These are located on the toolbar, which usually appears at the top or sides of your screen when you're sharing the whiteboard. So feel free to experiment and see what works best for conveying your ideas. It's important to remember that what you do on the whiteboard is visible to everyone, which makes it a fantastic way to keep audiences engaged during discussions. Whether you are solving a problem, showing a workflow, or illustrating a point, having the ability to visually supplement your words can make a big impact. Using the whiteboard during your Zoom meeting can be a great asset in making your meetings more interactive and engaging, helping to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that your ideas are presented clearly. If there are any participants who are unfamiliar with this feature, you might even set aside a few minutes to walk them through it as well, so everyone can take part. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, you're ready to enhance your meetings with this dynamic tool. Happy presenting and collaborating.